Okay, another example. Absolute value again, but more complicated. Integral 0 to 3. Let's see. 4 minus 2. Absolute value of x minus 1. Et voila. So now we're looking at the absolute value of x minus 1. So what does this do? Well, let's scroll up and look at the absolute value of x. Okay, so this guy here, it broke. You see how it breaks at 0? So because that one breaks at 0, we are going to reason that we're going to break, this function is going to break when x is equal to 1. Okay, so that's when it starts doing something different. So just like above, these are going to be the two options. Now here's how I think about it. When this quantity is negative, that's when you have to put another negative in front. So it's negative when x is less than 1. But when x is bigger than or equal to 1, that's when absolute value does nothing. All right, so using this, we make our break at 1. So we go from 0 to 1 plus, let's need some more space, plus integral from 1 to 3. So we do that. Decomposition of our integral. 4 minus 2, x minus 1, dx. Just copying the integrand. Tedious, but important, at least for a teacher. If you don't feel like copying everything, what can I say? If I can follow what you're doing, then you'll get full marks. If I can follow what you're doing and you make a mistake, you'll get plenty of part marks. If I can't follow what you're doing and you make a mistake, you will get very few part marks, if any. Now, here's where I can get rid of the absolute value so from 0 to 1, what is that? From 0 to 1, that is in this position, right? So that means I use this as my absolute value. So again, minus 2, let's go square bracket minus x minus 1 dx plus integral 1 to 3. And then for the other one, 4 minus 2, 1 to 3, right? 1 to 3, so I'm certainly in this region. So the absolute value can just disappear with no concerns. Okay, the rest of this is not that important, so I want you to try that as an exercise. Okay, let me just have a quick gander at this to make sure I didn't make a massive mistake. Do, 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 do. Looks okay to me. Okay, just be aware you're going to have a double. You have a double negative here, so ends up being plus.